Welcome back to our channel. If you're a writer looking to improve your blog writing skills, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll share some tips and tricks to help you create compelling blog content that captures your audience's attention and keeps them coming back for more. So let's get started. Step 1. Know your audience. Before you start writing for a blog, it's important to know your audience. Who are you writing for? What are their interests and pain points? Understanding your audience will help you create content that resonates with them and keeps them engaged. Step 2. Plan your content. Planning your content is an important step in writing for blogs. Create an editorial calendar to map out your topics and ensure that you're covering a range of relevant subjects. This will also help you stay organized and consistent with your posting schedule. Step 3. Write catchy headlines. Your headline is the first thing that readers will see, so it's important to make it catchy and attention-grabbing. Use descriptive language and make sure your headline accurately reflects the content of your post. Step 4. Write in a conversational tone. Blog writing should be conversational in tone. Write as if you're having a conversation with your readers, using a friendly and approachable style. This will help your readers feel connected to your content and engaged with what you have to say. Step 5. Use visuals to enhance your content. Visuals can enhance your blog content and make it more engaging for readers. Use images, videos, infographics, and other visuals to break up your text and make your content more visually appealing. That's it for our tips and tricks for writing for blogs. Remember to know your audience, plan your content, write catchy headlines, use a conversational tone, and incorporate visuals to enhance your content. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice on improving your writing skills.